In today's video, we're in my mother-in-law's place, and we're going to be kind of like changing up her bedroom. We will be putting in a single new bed that we got from JYSK. We brought some beddings as well, so we need to take the old ones with us to the skip. So I want you guys to come along with us. Yeah, so it's so cold today, guys. I came unprepared, but I actually wore something thin because I was like, I'm going to sweat, so there's no point wearing something padded and then I'll be sweating. But it's so cold, guys. So yeah, so we've just managed to drag the stuff in. So Frederick has gone to pack the car and get the rest of the boxes, and then we need to go upstairs, put these ones in, get the old ones down, and we need to race down to the skip because today, Saturday, the skips close 3 o'clock. So come along with us whilst we kind of put a smile on my mother-in-law's face. She's going to be so happy because she always liked to do up her place. Like ever since I knew her, she's always been like house proud, but unfortunately she's going through dementia. So yeah, so she hasn't really been herself. My husband has given me permission to talk about it because I didn't really want to share this part of my life with, without him being okay with it, because it's like just to take you guys along. I'm sure that there's some people that have family members that are going through dementia. I had my granddad before he passed on. I think he was going through dementia, but in Africa in those days we didn't really know what it was. But I knew my granddad was always very forgetful, and we just thought it was because he lost his wife and he was missing my grandma. So yeah, so my husband is okay with me taking you guys along with us just to put a smile on her face. Got all the beddings now, and yeah, Frederick is just dragging that in. Stuffed in the lift. Babe, should we just have a camp here? This lift is actually big for like a single room. Yeah. Huh? What's he saying? Oh. So guys, this is me sweating. There's so much to do, guys. Coco. Coco. Oh, sorry, Chanel. Oh, is that why she's not answering? Oh, Chanel. Hey, 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 hey. You remember before I would have been scared of a dog, but now Chanel, and she can jump. Yeah. That girl could not jump.
No, yeah, the hip.
Oh.
Hey, Brendan.
Chanel.
Hey, Cheyenne.
And it's a lovely name as well.
Hey, Brendan. Hi. Hey.
Frederick likes dogs. Oh. Oh. What?
She doesn't want to.
Oh, if she doesn't want you to hug her, what does she do? Oh, bless. Don't let her follow.
She'll jump.
Let me see her jumping. She's like practicing. How do I jump now? Ooh, nice. Look how beautiful it is. It's really nice. We'll come back and we'll fix the side tables.